Welcome back to Home's Decor Designs, your go-to channel for creating spaces you absolutely love. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. An outdoor fireplace for patio design is a structured architectural element designed to contain and vent a fire safely while serving as the primary focal point of an exterior living space. Unlike a portable fire pit, a fireplace is typically a permanent fixture featuring a firebox, a hearth, and a chimney or vent. In the world of home decor, it represents the heart of the outdoor room, bridging the gap between the comfort of your interior living room and the natural beauty of your backyard. It is an intentional design choice that defines the purpose of a patio, turning an open slab of concrete or stone into a sophisticated area for gathering, relaxation, and conversation. The benefits of incorporating a fireplace into your patio design extend far beyond simple aesthetics. Primarily, it acts as a powerful heat source that extends the usability of your outdoor space into the cooler months of autumn and winter, ensuring your investment in landscaping doesn't go to waste when the temperature drops. Beyond physical warmth, a fireplace provides a unique, ambient light that creates a cozy, intimate atmosphere that artificial lighting simply cannot replicate. From a property perspective, a well-built outdoor fireplace is a high-value home improvement that significantly boosts curb appeal and resale value, as modern homebuyers increasingly prioritize functional outdoor living areas. It also serves as a natural social hub, drawing guests together and providing a smoke-free environment, thanks to the chimney, compared to traditional open fire pits. Decorating your outdoor fireplace requires a balance between rugged durability and interior style comfort. Start by treating the mantel, if your design includes one, as a gallery space for weather-resistant art, lanterns, or seasonal greenery like eucalyptus or succulents. To make the area look cohesive, arrange your seating in a semicircle or U-shape facing the firebox to encourage eye contact and warmth distribution. Incorporate outdoor-grade textiles such as plush throw pillows and heavy-knit blankets in colors that complement the stone or brick of the fireplace. Adding built-in wood storage nooks not only provides a practical place for logs but also adds a rustic, textural element to the structure itself. Finally, consider surrounding the base with potted plants or integrated lighting to soften the edges of the masonry and create a glow that highlights the architectural details of the fireplace at night. Choosing the right materials is crucial for both the longevity and the style of your fireplace. Natural stone, such as fieldstone, limestone, or slate, is a top-tier choice for those seeking a timeless, high-end look that blends seamlessly with the landscape. For a more traditional or colonial aesthetic, classic red brick or reclaimed brick offers durability and a sense of history. If you prefer a sleek, modern silhouette, smooth poured concrete or stucco finishes are excellent for minimalist designs. On the interior of the firebox, you must use specialized fire bricks and high-temperature mortar to withstand the intense heat. For the finishing touches, stainless steel accents or wrought iron tools and grates are the best items to include, as they resist rust and provide a polished, functional look that stands up to the elements. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best outdoor fireplace for patio design ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the modern louvered retreat. This design features a sleek, minimalist fireplace embedded into a smooth gray accent wall, flanked by perfectly symmetrical wood storage niches. The adjustable louvered roof above allows for perfect climate control, while the neutral-toned contemporary furniture creates a high-end lounge atmosphere that feels like a five-star resort. 2. Woodland Stone Sanctuary. A massive floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace serves as the anchor for this rustic-covered patio. The heavy timber beams and oversized stone pillars frame the forest view perfectly, while the dark plush sectional offers a cozy vantage point to enjoy the crackling fire against the backdrop of towering pines. 3. The Grand Flagstone Hearth. This traditional open-air design showcases a towering stone chimney with integrated shelving and a built-in wood box. Set on a sprawling flagstone patio near a sparkling pool, the arrangement of classic Adirondack chairs around a secondary fire pit makes this the ultimate multi-generational entertaining zone. 4. Minimalist concrete monolith. Perfect for modern enthusiasts, this design features a sculptural concrete fireplace with a clean, tapered chimney. The simple wooden coffee table and low-profile sofas with vibrant striped pillows prove that minimalist architecture can still feel warm and inviting under a wide-open sky. 5. Elegant arched masonry. This Mediterranean-inspired space utilizes a light-colored stone fireplace with a classic arched opening as its centerpiece. Set under a finished wood ceiling with a grand chandelier, the space feels like a formal living room that happens to be outdoors, complete with wicker seating and a sophisticated tile floor. 6. Industrial concrete chic. This ultra-modern patio uses raw concrete walls and a cantilevered roof to create a bold architectural statement. The fireplace is a simple, dark rectangular cutout in a concrete pillar, complemented by a massive floating daybed and sleek wooden accents that overlook a minimalist lap pool. 7. The ultimate outdoor kitchen hub. Combining function with flair, this design features a stacked stone fireplace with an integrated flat-screen TV mounted above the mantel. The structure flows directly into a full outdoor kitchen and bar, making it the perfect spot for hosting game days and summer cookouts. 8. Classic red brick courtyard. This charming design relies on the timeless appeal of red brick masonry with a stepped wall silhouette. The blue cushioned armchairs and wrought iron table provide a pop of color against the brick, while the built-in planters and fairy-lit evergreens create a magical private garden feel. 9. Geometric stone courtyard. Featuring a sunken square fire pit made of rugged stone, this patio uses large concrete pavers separated by dark gravel for a striking geometric look. The heavy timber benches provide sturdy, weatherproof seating that reinforces the natural, earthy vibe of the surrounding landscape. 10. The linear horizon fire feature. A contemporary masterpiece, this design uses a long, horizontal gas fire element set into a low concrete retaining wall. The rusted metal backdrop provides a stunning industrial contrast to the white modern furniture, creating a dramatic visual line that leads the eye toward the lush garden beyond. An outdoor fireplace is more than just a home improvement project. It is an investment in your lifestyle. Whether you prefer the rugged charm of natural stone or the sharp lines of modern concrete, adding a fire feature to your patio creates an enchanting destination right in your own backyard. It is the place where stories are told, marshmallows are roasted, and memories are made under the stars. By carefully selecting your materials and thoughtfully decorating the surrounding space, you can create a sanctuary that provides warmth and beauty for years to come. If you enjoyed these outdoor fireplace inspirations, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for more weekly home improvement tips. Which of our top 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Also, be sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update on how to turn your house into the home of your dreams. Thanks for watching.